Welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. This video it's a quick unboxing DJI Osmo auction camera. I ordered this camera from Amazon. I'll put link description, and it is on sale. You can save about $30, and hopefully the on sale still on. You can check it out. Please also read the description for more details. It's my first time buying this DJI camera, and I just thought to share this with you. I bought this about $277 with shipping and tax and everything. It looks really solid, very well done. So I'm checking the other box to see what's inside there. It could be some accessories. So that's the battery. It comes with the box, and it's very important to buy an extra battery because this battery lasts only in about an hour. So one thing is, I noticed that the battery needs to be pushed by both fingers in, otherwise it won't fit correctly. As you see, and in each side you can see there's a bottom with yellow, with a orange color, and so when you push the battery in, push it hard, you don't see the orange color anymore. As you see here, I push it on one side, locked, the other side didn't. The battery is sealed with really good rubber, water resist, so just like push it hard and you don't see the orange color anymore on both sides. When you release it, simply push both bottoms, and then the battery should release. So when you start it up, ask you for language and date and stuff. Don't worry about that. And also that's the scan. If you want to scan the app, I'll put another video regarding of the app and how to use it, how to download it and everything, because it's so important, very useful feature, and more details about the camera and everything. Here are the menu. Basically the menu, the right menu is simply auto or manual, so keep it on auto always for good, unless if someone really professional photographers, then you can choose manual. Here are the simply choosing the video quality or the frame per second. The bottom one 60 to up to from start from 20 I think to 60. The top 70 70 50, 750 pixel up to 4K. Simply by pushing the power button, hold for a second or so, and camera will power on. Push it back again, the camera will turn off. Or if you press the record button, it should start and record right away. And of course, when it's recording, there is a red LED flashing. That means the camera is recording. The green LED, the camera is on, but it's not recording. This side for the charging, you charge the camera or to the memory card and slide memory card in. So you can hear the click when the battery is in. So it's good, always good to, as soon as you open the power on the camera, grab your phone and then scan that digital, then you can download the app. But you can do that later if you want. Also on the blue card, if you want to scan the app, make sure it's also updated too. And this button, when you press, simply switch the camera front or back. And about the memory card, it's so important to buy memory card supports 4K video, so high speed 4K video. Otherwise, if if the memory card is not high speed or not supporting 4K videos, it simply won't work at all. And if you insert the memory card not supporting high speed or 4K, there will be pop-up message in your camera screen, tells you that the memory card not supporting high quality video. So as you see here, I order the SIM card here from, I'll put link description also, where you can buy a good deal for those high speed 4K memory card. And this one is one of the best I found so far. I've been using them for like action cameras and 4K videos. Also it can work with any type of smartphone too. And the memory card also comes with adapter and USB adapter. This one does not come with USB adapter, but the one in Amazon now, they comes with the USB adapter. So the memory card has only one way to fit in. Always when you see the connection, face up to the lid, and that's the only way to fit. Otherwise, if you in case if mistaken or so and you flip it the other way, simply won't fit, and do not force it, otherwise it'll make a damage to your memory card or to the slide pocket in. And as soon as you push the memory card, you see it's locked in, and push the lid in, also lock in again. You can see the lid also has a seal on it. This camera, it's water resist up to 10 meters, about 30 foot. Start recording. And the great thing about this camera I found was the great stabilization. There was a great menu. You can choose, play with the menu and everything. And I'll upload another video regarding of the menu, how to use and best setting and everything else about this camera. And it's way cheaper than GoPro, and it's the only camera available so far compared to the GoPro 9 or GoPro 7 or 8 or so. Switch screen, and also has the voice command too. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to support our channel, like, subscribe and share. All the best, and see you next video.